Did you know you can use UV gel prints for wrapping almost anything? Let's take a look at how the Colorado printer is bringing speed and effortless operation to this dynamic market segment. Let's apply UV gel to a car. Before any wrapping takes place, wash the vehicle thoroughly and don't use any wax treatments. Washing by hand or the car wash will both do the job. For the best adhesion of the print or wrap, the installation team cleans the surface again. This removes any dust, dirt, or wax residue from the washing. The best tool for the job? The hands of an experienced installer. They can feel any area that's not perfectly clean yet. To make installation easier, any parts that are blocking the workspace are removed. It's worth it, even for parts that are hard to reach. De Kleverij in the Dutch town of Austin has been doing car graphics for over 25 years. Each week, multiple vehicles leave their workshop with a new, attention-grabbing look. Their clean, spacious workshop helps the installers to show off their skills. To do the best job, you need the right tools. Quality squeegees, a stable heat gun, precise temperature measurement, and of course, knifeless tape for razor-sharp lines without cutting. The films for fleet graphics and car wraps are highly engineered. Their glue layers perform best at specific temperatures, so both the shop and the car need to be warmed up correctly. Recesses are tricky parts in any vehicle wrap. With the proper technique and high-quality stretchable film, installers can press the application into curved shapes without too much pushing or stretching. The larger the stretched area, the lower the net stretch. With the right amount of glue, even these most challenging areas of the wrap have good adhesion. For the best results, the film temperature needs to be between 60 and 70 degrees Celsius. Start by fixing the film in the important places. Then, smooth out the film across the surface, making sure all air is removed and the glue is pressed tight to the surface of the vehicle. The roof is mounted too. It looks awesome from above. And yes, the devil is always in the details. Once the full surface is wrapped, it's important to apply more heat. This helps the glue create the best bond between the film and the surface. Last but not least, the client mounts his company's contact details in the right position. Now, anyone who needs his services knows how to get in touch. After all, the final result looks amazing. With the Canon Colorado M series using UV gel technology, you can take creative ideas from design to reality, enabling installers to show their skills and helping customers to be noticed. Are you ready to level up?